So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change an Instagram username here on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, go to your profile. So go to the bottom right and press on your profile. Then go to where it says edit profile. So for me, it's right above my highlights and below the YouTube link in my bio. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on edit profile. Now, as you can tell, my name is Cool Purple Media, and my username is also Cool Purple Media. Now, if you wanted to change it, simply just press on username and change it to whatever you want. So you can type in whatever you want. Now, for this demonstration, I actually don't want to change my username, but if you wanted to change it, you can type it in here. And once that is done, press on done in the top right, and there you go. That is how you guys can change an Instagram username here on Instagram. I hope this video helps.